Welcome to Michelle's Workshops. My name is Michelle Ford. I have spent the last 25 years of my teaching life in the public system in Spain, teaching to adults and teenagers from elementary to advanced, while doing research and developing a methodology to maximize people's learning. This methodology is very much connected to enjoying the use of English and using language learning to develop our skills, enrich our knowledge of people and the world, expand our intelligence, and strengthen our empathy. Before retiring, I wanted to devote a few years to teaching in absolute freedom, without a cost to my health in the workplace. Consequently, I requested a leave of absence in public education and will start in October 2022 to conduct amazing workshops where people can learn to use English naturally in all kinds of ways. On this site, talkingpeople.es, I'll be offering information about my workshops. My first workshop is for advanced students. I can welcome about 40 learners in 4 groups on Monday or Tuesday, afternoon or evening. Anyone from upper intermediate or higher levels can join if willing to work with original materials. We'll have an individual interview in any case once you register and before the workshop starts. Notice the sections on this site on the navigation bar. On workshops, you can download the flyer and brochure. On blog, you can read the kind of workshops I can put together and suggest your own. Sign up for the workshops on this site too. Contact email info@talkingpeople.es. Thank you for spreading the word among people who might be interested in developing, consolidating, or brushing up their advanced level. Thank you for your kind visit. Have a wonderful day.